tayo. Okay, close your eyes and make a wish. Wish. Okay. Pagbilang ko 3, blow nyo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Dylan and Miel. Blow. Okay, everybody can say happy birthday, Dylan!
Happy birthday, Dylan!
Happy birthday, Miel!
Happy birthday, Miel!
Ikaw naman ang kasapalok para may kasamang yahe! This time, dadako na tayo sa pinakamasarap at pinakamasayang bagay ng part ng party, which is